Today I'm shooting environmental portraits in one of London's most prestigious West End venues, the Prince of Wales Theatre. And my model for today is one of the stars of the Windsor's Endgame, Eliza Butterworth. And get this, she's also one of the stars on hit Netflix TV show, The Last Kingdom. And she's a thoroughly nice girl to boot, so I'm pretty excited for this one. I'm gonna head inside and start setting up. Beautiful theatre.
We watch the sun go down over the
This gorgeous creature.
Oh, hi there.
This is Eliza Butterworth, everybody.
Hi.
Oops. Star of Stage and Screen, currently stage.
Absolutely not. Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Right. So one of the difficulties with environmental portraits is mixing the ambient light with flash. And we want to keep all those beautiful details of the theatre, the theatrical chairs, the Art Deco features on the wall. If we turn up the flash too high and expose correctly for the face, we're going to darken down the background too much and lose all that beautiful detail. So it's worth setting your ambient light exposure first in camera, lock those settings in, and then all we have to think about is the flash output and composition. Camera settings, I'm going for f3.2, 100th of a second, and ISO 1000, which is no problem for the Sony A73. I'm shooting with an 85mm and 24mm Sigma Art lens, and although both these lenses have very low f-stops, I'm opting for f3.2 as to not blur out the background and foreground too much. That was nice what you just did with your hair, really nice.
We watch the sun go down.
This cheek over here has got a really nice fall off.
Yeah.
But if you turn it too close to the light, there's no fall
It
off.
goes flat.
Yeah. You know.
She knows what she knows a con for.
What?
Hat. Happiness. And I can do some more sort of handy things. I'll do it without and then I'll do some.
You don't want to get too close with these now because you can distort the tune down a smidge there. Gorgeous.
Go orange.
As well as a softbox, I'm using a Speedlite with a Fresnel lens diffuser on the front to mimic a theatre spotlight and to create some rim light and some lens flare. Is she pretty?
You're pretty.
So Eliza's just gone to change her outfit to something with a bit more contrast, maybe a white jacket this time, which should give some nice separation between herself and the rest of the theatre. Because I'm shooting on a 24mm lens at f3.2, I'm not going to get too much in the way of a blurry background, that should work quite nicely. My key light is a 200-watt flash set to virtually its lowest output, and the rim light is 1/64th power. Shot, there we go. Beautiful. Right there?
Just about.
And then I got...
Right. The glamour. That was my pensive look.
Could you come over actually to the next two?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. There. It's a bit too... Turn a little bit to me. There.
Yeah.
Yes. That's lovely. The line's beautiful. Oh yeah, really nice. Head to me a little bit more. Yeah. Amazing. Fab.
You're a
This is fun, isn't it? Right.
You are gorgeous. Oh my god, Mark told me you'd be coming down to help us do cute stuff in the video, and I was like, I'm just going to be laughing my
Emma
tits off.
Barkley, everybody.
Hi.
She's fabulous, as is she.
And late. My best friend.
Bestest of friends. And stunning actresses in the Windsors.
This one.
And this is the Windsors, everyone. For this next setup, I'm simply using the available ambient light with a touch of rim lighting for the hair.
Bask in the glory of this wonderful theatre. Absolutely stunning all round. To the phenomenal Mark McGee, the genius photographer.
And in the Muppets.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. Can you... Yeah, actually, can you, without falling to your death, can you maybe like lean
on the
onto it? And then give me the Hollywood shoulder.
Aber das schon andere.
Nice. Just turn everything towards me though, if you can. There. Beauty. And then chin down. Gorge. Beautiful. So what we're doing now is we're going to be shooting into the audience, and Eliza's going to be on the stage in her rightful place. Let's try a standing up one first. I love this shadow actually on the floor, it's really dramatic.
Yeah.
Can you step forward like half a foot? Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. It's like that, it's meant to be
It's
your spot.
absolutely
Really?
gorgeous.
Oh my god. Doing like a big lizard, I'm going, that's the manager.
You're doing something with the bow or something. That's nice. Yeah, beautiful. It's almost like that.
Sort of like this.
Yeah. Hold that. Amazing. Down here with the eyes. And then down here with the eyes here. And then up here. Beautiful.
I was jokingly gonna go like, and now take my lunch. But no, actually, pretty much. Now.
Okay, actually, just where you are.
With that cute light.
Yeah.
Let's try a middle parting for Fleetwood Mac 70's realness. She's got messy hair and she doesn't care.
And I think what I'm going to get you to do is looking almost like you're walking towards the stage. You know, like that.
Cool.
More, I think ballet. A bit more turnout.
Demi-plie.
Beautiful. Hold that. And then just ever so slightly there. Hold that. Okay, even more head this way if you can. Yeah. Stunning. This isn't the full length, but that's a portion of the shot.
That is so immense. That is goat's cheese. Genius. He is a genius.
That was the last full length.
That is immense. That is immense. What? What? This guy.
So Emma, what we're using here is a Fresnel or Fresnel lens, which is a theatrical lens, and it's creating a bit more drama, a bit more shadow, a bit more film noir, and we're just sort of shooting the back of her and then we're turning her towards the light and we're just getting a lovely fall off on the cheek. You are the best improviser I've ever seen though.
What do you mean? Me? Improvising? Never.
What about these cakes?
Oh, darling. Well, we've actually had a wonderful spread put on today by Patricia. She's brought in prize-winning fruits from the Dinglebury Village show. Really very juicy. And cherries that she's grown at home. Not so nice, I'd stick to the peaches. We've got a cake here made from Mrs. Thimblethorpe. She's a brilliant baker, but she's half blind, hence the colour. We've got a lovely flower arrangement made by Mr. Dukes, and he is such a sweetie. Done it all for free in aid of the village hall being re-roofed.
What a talent. What a talent.
I don't know what you mean, I've been preparing that for weeks.
Let's go with 85.
It must be a joy to photograph just someone who's just naturally very photogenic.
Yeah.
Try find. Yeah.
Emma McGee.
I've just been doing a selfie all this time.
You better have been. That's what I want.
Yeah. To me a little bit. There. Oh wow. Gorgeous.
What? That is redonk! Look at the lighting on that sucker. Yeah! I'll put my something.